You will have a lot of fun. If you're traveling, sit in the bus, train, wherever you go, it doesn't matter. The other day I was traveling in the bus, it was full entertainment. I told this in the Gita session. Just behind me, a man is sitting, reprimanding somebody. तेरे को दवा लेना है, तेरे को समझ में नहीं आता है, ये क्या मजा आ रहा है, क्या धमाल चालू है. There is so much fun happening in his life, so much entertainment for me also. And I don't know what the other person is saying. He was on the mobile. And finally he stopped. And I felt, thank God, picture khatam. Because itna डांट रहा था वो. He was literally shouting at the other person. And everybody in the bus, sitting in the bus, full entertainment. Life is entertaining. We have to be the spectator watching. आराम से बैठ जाओ. Take the Pepsi, Cola, I mean whatever you like to drink, lemon juice, popcorn, and watch. No need for comedy serial. No need. Believe me, I've tried many times doing this and it is so much fun that I felt no need to watch any movie now. The movie is happening right in front of me. A friend comes and speaks to you. Okay? Kya hua pata nahi. And they go on and on and on and on. So it's not about only laughing. You need to have compassion. The friend is going through trouble. You feel the compassion. You feel the empathy. But the main thing you need to feel is, how can I be of any use to this person to bring them out of this drama? If you can do this, then it will be more useful than just giving a good ear. And once they see it, both of you can sit and laugh. Kya drama chal? Jabardast. It's tough. Then there are dramas where you need to cry. The scene is like that. Sit and cry. Nobody is stopping us from crying. Sit and cry. Deep within, just know, this will also pass. This movie will also get over. Itna fix karo. Then cry. Tell yourself, this will pass. This movie will finish. After this time, some allotted time, this movie will finish. Now, sit and cry. Cry it out. Don't suppress. Cry the tears. Laugh the laughter. This is life. But who am I? I am watching both the tears and the laughter. I am separate from the drama. I am not part of the drama. No. Yeah, but I'm playing a role, but I'm not the role. Play the role if it requires you to cry. Look at drama. After going through Yoga Vashishta, okay, the Vashishta and Rama are speaking to each other. Where Vashishta enlightens Rama at the age of 16, post which he marries. And he says, Sita, Sita, and he's crying. And we'll say, Arey, enlightened person, kya drama chalu hai? He knows he has to play the role. So he cries, he fights, he kills, he brings back Sita, sends her to Vanvas, does everything that is required. Deep inside, with the knowledge that this drama has to go on, I need to play this role for this long. I will play the role as the best actor. If anybody sees this, they will say best, best mother, best student, best. Kyun? Because the role was played perfectly, totally. How can Amitabh Bachchan or anybody on the screen make us cry? How can a singer bring smile to our face? How can an actor bring laughter? We know they are acting. We know it's a reel that is playing. We are not foolish. But still they can bring that emotion from within us. Hats off to that actor. Hats off, because they did their role so beautifully. But when you go on the sets, when they're acting, after the scene, they will be like, chal hata. After all the tearful scene, they will be like, chai peete hain, chill karte hain, ye le kya wo le. What happened to that acting? Perfect. Making people bring tears in their eyes. And next moment, that fellow is relaxed, having his tea. This is life. Play your role. Cry where it is necessary. Come back to the scripture. Sit calmly and relax with the cup of whatever you want, tea or water or juice. The game is over there. The director said, cut. We are supposed to exit at that time. What we do, Amitabh Bachchan bahar aake bhi, kya role tha? I'm still crying. Ma, I'm still crying for my mother. Arey, everybody will say, ho gaya. Director said, cut. You're done. Come back. You're Amitabh Bachchan. We are no less than Amitabh Bachchan. We forgot. And somebody came and said, you are Amitabh Bachchan. Arey, haan yaar. Why am I still stuck in that role? That role is over. The role doesn't get over when you die. There are different ways to get the role over with. At night, when you sleep, the role is over. Do you remember your mother in your deep sleep? Or a father or whatever? Or an officer or a whoever it is, politician. We don't remember anything when we are in deep sleep. Every night we give up all the roles and mast neend aa gaya. So even when you are in the role, play the role. Be whatever it is. After that scene is over, sit down and don't reflect upon it. It's over. It's over. You did what you could do to the best of your ability. No regrets. Baitho mast and sit down. Amitabh Bachchan gets a retake. We don't. Okay? We don't get a retake. He can say, show me the scene. Are yaar, I didn't cry properly. Chalo. Wapas, they set up the whole thing. The set is ready. Again, the whole drama begins. He gets 2, 3, 5, 10 retakes. In our life, there is no retake. So, my dear, play the role to the best of your ability. No regrets. Sit down and chill with Bhaj Govinda. With the knowledge, with Adi Shankara, with chanting, with whatever you love. Come back to your space. Play the role, come back to your space. Play the role, come back to your space. Don't get stuck in the role. That's all. Play the role. And when playing the role, don't think, I am a Gyani, I have heard so much, I have read so much, I can't cry. You're a mother in the role who is supposed to cry, cry. You're a daughter who is supposed to cry, you're a son who is supposed to cry, cry. Don't say, I'm in knowledge. No tears can flow from my eyes. I'm in Brahman. Arey Baba, you cry in the role, sit back, and then chill in that Brahman. Okay? But in the role, do what you need to. Don't be foolish. Be in the moment. In the moment you feel like crying, cry. In the moment you feel like just sitting and not crying, don't cry. What people will think? Let me start crying. Don't get into dramabaji. Anyway, it's an action. Everything is an action. Everything is a drama. Usme और drama करना जरूरी नहीं. Okay? Just feel what you feel and let go. Letting go is important. And feeling is also important. So feel, then let go. Feel, then let go. Be the wife, be the husband, be the whatever, daughter, son, doesn't matter what, sister, brother. Come back. You're nobody. Sit down and relax with the knowledge. If we can do this, it would be a beautiful life.